Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 divided by 1 divided by 6 times 6. So how can we find the value of this expression? So firstly we should all know about KCF rule, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. We can write this expression from left to right because division have higher, division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36 times 6, which is equal to 216. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face any issue, then comment and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.